Well, you leave the house, you lock everything up.
Oh, but you don't worry about the garage door. I mean, after all, you've got that fancy electric garage door opener, don't you? So no one can get in there except you, right? It was no problem for the News 15 investigators, which means you can bet the crooks know how to. Chris Heinbaugh shows you how to protect yourself.
It's something we think will stay shut.
Hey, so you just drove down and mine popped up?
Something we rely on to keep our belongings safe behind a locked door.
Yeah, well, you've got a beautiful car in there, bikes, all sorts of things.
Yeah, all kind of goodies.
Yeah.
A door we think only we can open.
Your garage door opens open my garage door?
But the News 15 investigators found that your garage may not be as secure as you think. We buy this Genie garage door opener at a local home supply store. We use it fresh out of the box. We don't make any adjustments. We randomly cruise the neighborhoods of Tempe, wondering if anything will happen. Within minutes,
Whoops, there's one.
that's right, our $29 garage door opener opens somebody else's garage. Then another, and another, and yet another. It's something criminals know all too well.
I've taken several burglary reports where we know they had to have used a garage door opener to open the garage door. And it's actually a relatively simple thing for them to do.
Too simple for some Tempe residents who thought their garages were safe.
Is your garage locked up, or is it pretty secure, do you think?
Got a garage door open.
Does it? What if I did this?
Have a problem.
Did you know that somebody else could come by and open this?
No, I didn't.
Did that surprise you?
Yes.
Yeah.
It happens because residents leave these switches on the factory settings, all one way, instead of creating their own code.
Well, what the bad guys do is they get a garage door opener, they leave the switches all on or all off for every other one, and they just drive down the street. And eventually they're going to hit something.
And all it takes is a click of the button. Once inside, almost anyone has access to bicycles, major appliances, expensive sporting equipment, and if the door to the house is open, well, you might as well just invite them on in.
The switch is right there.
Home Depot sells Genie garage door openers. They showed us how easy it is to set your own security code. First, set the switches in the base station.
You can use a screwdriver, flat top screwdriver. Just move down the switch where you want it to go.
Then set the identical code in the remote control.
They have to be both the same, coordinated the same.
Or it won't work.
It won't work at all.
Easy enough, but the word's not out. In just a few short hours of driving, we opened, then closed, at least 35 garage doors, including John and Wilma Gunderson's.
Do you keep a lot of stuff in your garage?
Yeah.
Do you? Any valuable stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, let me show you something here.
Oh. How about that?
They were disturbed at our easy access. We showed them how to make it secure.
So I match that up with this.
Right. That's all you got to do, and then your garage is a bit safer there.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
All right.
They were very good sports. Now, we were quite careful not to leave any garage doors open and tried to notify each of the homeowners and help them program their openers. And if you're worried we're planting ideas, police say the criminals out there already know about it. We're just letting you in on the secret. Also, if you think you're safe because your garage door isn't a Genie, guess again. This can happen with almost any garage door opener. The key to a safer garage is remembering to set your own code. It's very code rather.
Yeah.
It's very simple, very easy to do.
I'm gonna go
I
check
have to
it.
call home.
Yeah. Thanks, Chris.